When you're just getting started, having no credit can be as limiting as having bad credit. Lenders don't know how to judge you, so they assume the worst, or nothing at all. But there's a smart way to build fast without falling into traps. Start with a secured credit card. Choose one that reports to all 3 bureaus. Even a $200 deposit can start building history. Use it for small purchases, pay it off in full, and never miss a payment. Next, get added as an authorized user on someone's seasoned account, like a parent or sibling with a clean payment history. It's a fast way to inherit years of good credit without borrowing a dime. You can also explore credit builder loans through local credit unions or fintech apps. These are small loans designed to report positive payments over time. No big risk, just consistent results. Avoid common pitfalls. Don't apply for too many accounts at once. Don't co-sign for friends, and don't carry balances. Every decision counts. And one more underrated move: opt out of pre-screened credit offers. This reduces soft inquiries and signals to bureaus that you're not desperate for credit. Small move, big impact. If you're just starting your credit journey, don't wing it. CreditFixGuy.com can help you map the smartest route, avoid dead ends, and build something solid from day one.